Welcome to SmartBoard Basics. This tutorial will help you get started with using your SmartBoard and show you also some of the basic features of your SmartBoard. This is a typical setup that you would see within a classroom. You'll have your projector mounted up on the ceiling with your SmartBoard up towards the front of the room. And this is the typical setup that you will see of the equipment that's needed or the equipment that is associated with your SmartBoard. Up here you might have a TV tuner, you're going to have your computer, you may also have a VCR, although some of the classrooms do not have that, and then you will have an audio receiver. What's important about the audio receiver is you should have 3 buttons with stickers. You can't see them real well right here, but they will be highlighted with what equipment they coordinate to. So this may say PC. So if you were going to run something through the computer and wanted sound associated with your computer, you would need to make sure that this button is pressed. And this one may be connected to your VCR. And this one may be connected to your TV. So they should all be labeled within the classroom. Just make sure you have the right button pressed for which one you want the sound to go to. In order for your SmartBoard to work, there are 3 things that you need to make sure that you have on. First, you need to make sure that you have your computer on. Second, you need to make sure that you have your projector turned on. And if you want sound, you need to make sure that your receiver is turned on. These are some of the basic parts of your actual SmartBoard. This is considered your SmartBoard tray. It's where your pens are kept, your eraser. And these are some key buttons on your SmartBoard tray. This button here will give you your on-screen keyboard if you ever need it. You just press the button. And by pressing the button, your on-screen keyboard will pop up. And there it popped up for me. And I will close that out. The other button right here, that is if you ever need to right-click something. If I would need to right-click, I would push that button first, and then I would just tap, and my next tap on the screen would act as if I did a right click on my mouse. If you ever need help, there is a help button there. This will take you to a dialog box where you can type in what you need help for. If you ever need to align your SmartBoard, and this may happen in the middle of a lesson, in the middle of a PowerPoint presentation, in the middle of one of your Smart Notebook presentations, and you just need to realign your SmartBoard. If you hold both of these buttons together at the same time, you will get another screen to pop up. So if I hold them both together, this screen pops up, and you just take one of the markers, and you can even use your fingertip, and you will just push in the middle of each of the diamonds, and it will keep moving for you. And it goes relatively quickly. It just takes seconds. So you really can do this for a moment in the middle of a lesson. And as soon as you hit the last one, it returns back to where you left off. So that is how to align your SmartBoard. And now at this point, you have everything on. You are ready to just start using your SmartBoard. And whatever pen you pick up on the Smart Tray, if I pick up the black one and I write, it will write black. If I put that down and pick up the red one, it will write red. And what you can even do also too is you can write with your finger if you just have one of the colored pens picked up. I picked up the green pen, but actually right now I am writing with my finger. So those are the basics of the SmartBoard, your equipment, what you need to have turned on and ready to go if you want to be able to start using the SmartBoard.